So thanks so much for subscribing. Thanks for spreading the word, and thanks for being here to watch this video. So I'm going to start with question tags. So I have a few questions here that I would love to answer. So question number one: what is your full name? Okay, so my full name is Messi Nwalokomobi Inujeko. You see where Mobi came from? Nwalokomobi Inujeko. So that's where the name of my channel came from. That's where it came about. The Mobi part. Nwalokomobi. Mobi is like, in this context, like my heart. Nwalokomobi. Question number two. Why Mobi? Okay, I chose Mobi because it stands out and it's my name, it's part of my name, and I didn't want to put the whole name, so I chose the part I love the most. It means a lot to me, so I decided to use Mobi. Question number three: where did you school? I schooled at University of Benin, Edo State. Yeah, so that's where I schooled. Question number four: what did you study? What I studied. So I studied French. Yeah, I studied French for 4 years. 4 good years I studied French. And you might be like, can you speak French? Oh yes, I can speak French. I can proudly say that I can speak French. Je m'appelle Messi Enujeko. Je peux parler un peu de moi-même. Comme vous le savez, je suis diplômée à l'Université de Benin au département des langues étrangères. Ouais, as you all know, I graduated from the University of Benin from the Department of Foreign Languages. Yeah, so I speak French. And I have a YouTube channel that it's more like strictly French. Yeah, I talk about God. I talk about the Bible. I love to talk about God. So I share the word. I share words of encouragement. You can go to La Vérité avec Messi. I'll drop the name, the title here on the screen. La Vérité avec Messi. So that's my channel for French, where I talk about God. I talk about the Bible. I give words of encouragement. That's just my French word. Yeah. And it's centered on God. Just so you know, everything about me is centered on God. I'm not sorry about it actually. Everything about me is centered on God. Just so you know. Question number five: why did you study French? So that's a very long story, but I'm going to try to cut it short. I studied French because I've always loved the language. The first time I ever heard it, I was like, so there was this lady in my secondary school. That was when I was in SS1. Her name is Mabel. Yes, she calls herself Mademoiselle Mabel. So when we see her, when she comes to the class, she makes the language fun. At first, when she was speaking, I was like, what's this man saying? But she made it fun. She made me understand the language. She made me understand the culture. She made me, the way she behaved, the way she was acting, everything just made me fall in love with French. So I told myself I was going to do French. Though I was a science student, but I was still doing French language. I did it in my exams because I wanted to do French and I loved it. So here's me, a French graduate. Anyways, question number 6: why another YouTube channel? This YouTube channel, like I said, is for me. Everything that I think, everything that I do, things I love to do, things I love to talk about, people I love to meet, just strictly like just me. It's more like get to know me channel, somewhere where I talk about myself. You get to know me, I know you too. Like, you get, yeah, I'm pretty sure you get it. For the last question: what should we expect from your channel? Expect me because I'ma be in your faces. Sorry, Yeah, but then expect me because I'm going to be in your faces. I'm going to be in your face. You're going to see me everywhere. This channel is me. Just expect fun things, fun and amazing, reasonable things. Yeah, to expect fun, 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 fun. No dull moments. So, welcome once again to Moby. And I'd like to say, see you in my next video. Bye.